Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert text to curves in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm using this subscribe text here. So what I need to do is go ahead and click on the move tool, click on the image, and then right click on the image and click on convert to curves. Now if I click out of it and then click back into it, we can see here each letter has been converted to curves. Now from here, if I want to change this S to convert it to curves, I can drag it out like so, make it smaller. If I want this I can drag this out, convert it like this. The E, same thing. The S, so you can have a whole lot of fun with this and make it like stylish or whatever. So let's go ahead and have a look. It might change the R here. So yeah, that's how to convert text into curves. That doesn't look quite too bad actually.